There is all this cultural divide in our country, but look, such a strong set of a community with such strong ethics, believing in India, binding India. And what you said is, I don't want to go overseas. And from someone, it shows that how much unity there is in our country for and the love for India.
Oh, you'll be quite surprised.
Yes.
When you're saying that you don't want to go and do work
Outside, you must be getting
India.
1,000 offers.
Also, we do. But the strange thing is, I'm the buyer in the company.
Yes.
I buy all the material from cement to, from even maybe a screw to a cement to whatever. The strict instructions is don't buy from overseas. We buy everything in India. Be Indian, buy Indian.
Yes.
We don't want to send people to China. A lot of people say, China is very cheap. Why should I spend money outside? Let me support my economy. So everything that is bought in Prestige is from India. It's all India made. Unless there is something that is not available, which is a specific requirement of construction.
Yes.
In the form of, say, a chiller or something that is there that is not made here. Even now we forced the lift companies like Otis, etc.
Yes.
That we are not going to buy from you if you're not in India. So they have opened factories in India.
Wow.
Yeah, now...
They are bending to your terms.
Exactly. Same way with your CP Sanitary. We do a lot of work with David Kohler.
Yes.
And Kohler says, okay, he's opened a factory in Gujarat. So that we can buy from him.
Yes.
We said we don't want to buy anything that is imported.